This is a Samsung refrigerator in an apartment we were renting. This is the model number. And the IceMaker was not working when we got here. I tried resetting it, I tried everything. This little arm right here, hard to see, this little arm was out of place. It was up over where it should be, and I just pulled it down and tucked it under where it should be. Then I reset the thing, and the arm came down, went back up, and it started working. You have to hold that reset button quite a while, and it's rather annoying. But you know, once you get it going, and this ain't hoax or anything, there is a little bit of this in here that the thing has just made. There's 4 cubes, I think it makes, okay, there's 5 cubes in there, I think it makes like 6 or 8. I took some out for my coffee, but this little arm was up over here, and it needs to be under this little plastic piece to properly function. Sometimes it gets dislocated, sometimes maybe somebody took this out to dump it and jammed it in the wrong way while the arm was still down. I hope this helps. To make IceMaker, I set power cool and power freeze. My power freeze lamp has burnt out in there, but I hope this helps you guys. Thank you guys for watching.